डिफाइन कम्युनिकेशन, डिस्क्राइब द बैरियर्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. थर्ड पार्ट है डिस्क्राइब द टाइप ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. फोर्थ है एक्सप्लेन NPR, नर्व्स पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप. जनरली 15 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आता है इसका, एंड रिपीटेड आंसर होता ही है. फर्स्ट आया 2011 में, 13 में, 15 में, 16 में, 17 में, 18 में, 19 में, 23 में. देन 24 में नहीं आया, 25 में आएगा ही आएगा. देन आंसर है कम्युनिकेशन. द टर्म कम्युनिकेशन इज derived फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड communicare, means to share, to impart. According to Millet, communication defined as shared understanding of shared purpose. Then barrier of communication, they are following: physiological barrier, then difficulty in hearing, then difficulty in expression, and difficulty in palpation. Then second है psychological barrier, emotional disturbance, neurosis, fear, ego. Then third है environmental barrier, lack of ventilation, lack of light, extreme temperature, extreme noise, and lack of privacy. Fourth है cultural barrier. Then type of communication, there are following type of communication based upon relationship. There are two type of communication. Number A, formal communication, and second है informal communication. Formal communication, it occurs in officially and formal way. Line of authority and unity of command are maintained. In informal communication, it is very simple, and this is very informal talk with people. There is no formality in delivering the message among the people. Then based upon flow. Second, first है upward communication. It can be verbal or in written form. Example है application for leave. Then second है downward communication. Then downward communication, superior to subordinate. Example है from nursing superintendent to staff nurse. Then third है horizontal communication. This communication flow of horizontally among the same level communication among colleagues, and it is least used communication type है horizontal communication. MCQ में आ जाता है, which communication is least used in the communication type. It may be divided into two types: one-way communication and two-way communication, based upon expression, verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Then other, visual communication, telecommunication and meta communication. Then fourth part है nurse patient relationship. सबसे पहले definition, it is an interaction process in which the nurse fulfill her role by using her professional knowledge and skills in such a way that she is able to help the patient. Then type, social relationship, intimate relationship, therapeutic relationship. Then इसकी 4 phase दिए: pre-interaction phase, introductory, working and termination.